This English beach is where we lay our scene. Summer in reach and life is but a dream. Two houses both alike in common crime, laced with bad blood and history divide. Flesh bites a bullet to the grey's bed sheets. Revenge is bitter when the ice cream's sweet.
I can't help but stare at her from afar, by pistachio clouds and rum bar. Like halo hoops, she scoops the heads of cones. She's neon sun next to monochrome. When our shifts chime, loving eyes are mad fixed. Hearts clang at the spine, this oil-water mix. And torture with the miracle I need, as the mirage of us strangles and weeds. Tiny shadows dancing under the moon. Wish we could enjoy this view from a room. Ah, she speaks. Say something, bright angel.
Hey, Romeo!
Romeo, I smell him in the night air, that gentle sting, electrifying snare. Why use the word hate? Use that word ever that carries such weight like seaside weather. They do not know of this Montague man. They see him just as a rogue in a van, but I see me in the veins of his eyes, the knots of his heart, breath synchronized. Our families war with heritage hate, competitive arguing, bargaining rates.
On the sand, Capulets smash windows with baseball bats. His frozen ice falls like heartbroken snow. Romeo, does he even want to know?
Though our kind is different, we are the same. Our species Siamese, split by a name. Drown my brave words in a cold, reckless blue if you have to, but swear to you, I'm true.
Please don't swear by the ferocious ocean that haunts our fatal divide like poison. Swear it for real. Seal your deal with a kiss.
Forever sew the skin that joins these lips. Tomorrow, when we wake, let's drive away. Steer these vans to the edge of land and break.
Rings on their fingers, bloodline a fresh seam. Let love be their witness over ice cream.
Now is the winter of our discontent made glorious summer by this son of York. And all the clouds that lowered upon our house in the deep bosom of the ocean buried.